Welcome to another CMD tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to list files in CMD. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. Say, for example, we wanted to list files right here in this folder on drive D. Okay, now maybe this FAM folder right here. This folder right here includes images and videos. So let's check it out on CMD. Open it up right here. Now we're going to type in. First, we're going to want to access the directory, all right? It is currently on my drive D and the FAM folder. And as you can see here, we are currently using the C drive. What we're going to do is just type in D, all right, which is the drive letter, then type in colon. Once done, just hit on enter. Now we are currently using the D drive. Now, let's go ahead and use this folder. What we're going to do is just type in cd space FAM. All right, once done, just hit on enter. Now we are currently using the FAM folder. Now what we're going to do to list the files in it is just go ahead and type in a simple command, which is called dir. All right, once done, just hit on enter. As you can see here, that's basically how you list files using CMD. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.